In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts for Figma on your local Linux or Ubuntu system. This process is quick and straightforward, taking just about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that many of us know and love. Open up your favorite web browser and navigate to their website at figma.com. Once you're there, if you haven't already, you'll need to click on the Login button. You can find this at the top right corner of the homepage. Logging in is crucial because you'll need access to your personal workspace where you can customize your design settings. Now once you're logged in, you'll want to make your way to the Home section. From here, open the project or file you are working on, or even start a new one if you're ready for some design creativity. Within Figma's home interface, select the Design tab. This is where all the magic will happen in terms of adding new fonts. After selecting Design, look out for the Typography section. Typography is where you can manage font settings for your design projects, so click there next. This area gives you control over how text appears in your designs, allowing you to ensure consistency and style across all elements. Within the typography section, there will be an option to click on all fonts. This option is integral because it allows you to view and manage the current font list available in your Figma environment. It's a great spot to browse through available options and get a sense of your existing font resources. Now, an exciting part, adding Google fonts. Once you click on all fonts, you'll notice an option for Google fonts. Click there and you'll find a list of fonts curated by Google, which you can easily integrate into your Figma workspace. Google fonts are a fantastic resource because they provide an expansive variety for different themes and styles in your design projects. And that's all it takes. You've now successfully added new fonts to your Figma workspace on a Linux or Ubuntu system. Remember, using the right fonts can transform your design, providing clarity and style that makes your project stand out. As you continue to design, explore the various font options to see what best fits the tone and mood of your work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your Figma designs are not only visually appealing but also tailored to your specific creative needs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.